Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Christek here, and welcome back to the beta test of Terraria Hard Mode. So in the last episode we got this awesome weapon, which on my old Terraria took me ages to find it, and I found it in the first episode. I just found a magic mirror, this thing, I'm not sure what the heck is this stuff. What does this do? Creates grass from dirt. I think that's useful for the corruption and stuff. When it starts spreading, bad things happen. Okay, let me see how this works. I think it's going to work in mud, isn't it? It has to work in mud. Come on. Oh, waste some more. Waste more than enough. Yeah, I don't think it works with mud. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, it works. Okay, we're gonna build like a garden or house. So yeah, today we're going to build a house, and I'm thinking of building it right. Right here. So it's a good idea. So yeah, let's start getting some wood. So there, in the first episode of the series, there's a link in the description to download the beta test. Alright, so yeah, or you can watch other videos of other guys if it doesn't work. So, watch other videos with the download link. So yeah, let's start building a massive house. It's gonna end up like a hotel. Let's build a hotel this time. Let's not build again a city. Because I want a hotel. Because everyone makes hotels and and the town is something different, but I do want to make like a hotel. I don't know how to call it, but I want to. Okay, so Garrett's already here. Now how do you break this? Oh, I have to... Okay, forget it. Okay, so... Garrett, you're not leaving, sorry. But I need you in here, because you're gonna get yourself killed, I'm sure. In the first ever time I played Terraria, I was like, oh, this game is boring. And suddenly, I get like, when I go in mining, like, I find all this stuff, and this I was like, oh, I'm never gonna be good at this. And after like 3 nights or something, I got the, how's it called? Like the nightmare armor, how's it called? The dark, shadow armor. And yeah, it was really, really fun. In the start it's not that fun because you have to get all the resources. But I want to play like the beta. I want to play it like, I don't want to start the let's play when I'm kind of like got the Excalibur, like got a full like diamond armor. I mean a dynamite armor or something. Yeah. Also, okay, Garrett, I don't want to speak to you now. Garrett, can you? Garrett. Oh, thank you, Garrett. Don't even think about it. Okay. Garrett, you have a home. I still don't have background walls, but when we have a home. Okay, so let's build this. Let's build that there. Now let's go and build some wood walls because we need some. Now let's hold down. I love the sound of it, making like. If that was a dynamite bars, I would be so happy. When I got like hailstone or something, and I hear the sound going like, I'm so excited. And it's lagging a bit. I get some beta, so let's get some of this. We need all of this. Oh, and the hammer. A hammer. I don't have enough food. What? Seriously? Seriously? What's the bunny in the yellow team? I don't get why mobs are in the yellow team. I guess Garrett is not. Is this? I don't know. I don't know why it's happened. What's happening now? Okay, that's enough. Let's go get some wood. But get yourself killed, Garrett. Because I know my first guide was like Garrett in the first ever guide I had, and he died in the first night. So Garrett, don't do this. Don't do it this time. Please, please don't do it. I wasn't recording that time. It was my first ever time playing Terraria. So yeah, let's move on. Okay, that's enough with I think so. Okay, Garrett, be back before dinner. We don't have dinner, so come back whenever you want. So yeah, if you're enjoying this Let's Play, then let me know, because I know if you want me to stop it or something. I do like playing this kind of beta, and when like go again to the jungle, maybe in the next episode, we might get some better stuff. And I can't believe we got this weapon, and we don't even have a gold pickaxe or something. So yeah, if you're enjoying the series, you can drop a like below if you enjoyed. So let's build this. Okay. So I'm sure the zombie apocalypse map will be out soon. But please tell me how to upload maps. I found a technique, but you know, computer is a bit broken, let's say. Not a, okay, forget it. It's kind of weird to explain. It's not easy. Oh, we can make a bow. My inventory is full, of course. It's not. How much? Okay, we don't need this dirt. We don't need this gold brick. We don't need this stone. We don't need this stone. We don't need these bottles. No, we need one of them. Okay. We don't need the seeds. We don't need this. And we don't. Is it? Oh, gravitation potion. I love them. A dart trap. I might use that. No, I don't even have the redstone thing. The redstone, the wire. I need a bow. We're gonna make a bow. Okay, we got a bow. And an anvil. What? Oh, I can make this. Ah. I'm gonna build it. I want to add this on the table. Okay. Let's put this. Okay, place down. Oh, I'm not gonna leave it there. I'm gonna place it somewhere. Does this work with the hammer? Oh yeah, it works with the hammer. Now let's get it. I didn't need the sunflowers. Why have I got sunflowers on? Okay, we need that to go here. And we need some torches because it's getting really dark and I don't think you guys can see anything. So let's put them down. One there. One there. I don't think so. Okay, let's put one there. And one there. There we go. So now what we need is doors. A chair, 2 doors, 2 chairs, and 1 table. Because I want to play. Oh, I can make one of this. Ah, stop that! I need to throw away. I'm not sure. I don't need the cobwebs. Probably. Okay, so I need a table. Where should we place the table? Let's see. What about here? That's a nice place to place. But place to place it. Place to place it. Let's put the thing up top. Is it gonna work? Yeah, it worked! This is dope. I like my house for now. I need doors, zombie, wait. Zombie, wait. I need to place my doors down. Hi, zombie. Sorry, zombie. I will end you in a bit. Okay. I think I'll end the chairs down. Like this. And this. Now let's kill this guy. Let's see how much damage this does. Okay, it does quite a lot of damage. It won't be too effective. Oh, what was that? I got a falling star. I need the falling star. How many falling stars have I got? I got 2. Okay, we got 2 falling stars. And why is he not putting it to my house? So I think I'll end it here. Oh, there we go. Here's a hit. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Let's aim for 10 likes, or 5 likes, okay. And I will see you guys all, or, wait a second, or later. Bye bye.